Where to watch Naruto Shippuden in English in India. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can watch Naruto Shippuden. Now you can easily get Naruto Shippuden series in Crunchyroll for free, and it's the only legal way to watch Naruto Shippuden in India. So what you can do is you can simply download or install the Crunchyroll application, and there what you can do is you can open it up and you can sign into the account or log in, and then you will be able to watch it in English. So the other way is the Netflix as well. It's available on Netflix as well. So if you have a Netflix account, you can simply go ahead and download Netflix and open up Netflix and log into your account, and there you'll be able to stream Netflix. On Netflix you'll be able to watch Naruto Shippuden in English dubbed as well, or you can watch it in English subtitle. So this is the way you can watch, or these are the ways where you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English in India. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.